counselors, we also act as counselor. Any of your close by doctor, your family acts as counselor. So yes, stress level, and I specifically always say that there are many questions popping up here. So keep taking them. I have seen sometimes the questions get lost later.
We'll get back to them after we are done with this. Towards the end, we'll be getting the questions, and we have to.
We always tell that we need that 2 to 3 weeks of window.
Okay.
Where you do IVF, I want you not to be very stressed. Don't take any specific assignment, office work or something like that. Keep travel ongoing in between. So these things are important. So you always plan an IVF cycle and do. ये नहीं है कि अभी लगा कि आज मुझे IVF कराना है तो शुरू हो जाइए. थोड़ा सा प्लानिंग कर लीजिए तो इट विल बी इजियर. जब हमारे पास बहुत सारे मेनी पेशेंट्स आर लाइक जो डायरेक्ट हमारे पास IVF कराने आते हैं. बहुत सारे पेशेंट आते हैं कि थ्रू मल्टीपल डॉक्टर्स के साथ मिल के आते हैं. बहुत बार IVF फेल होके भी आते हैं. बहुत तरह की इनफर्टिलिटी करवा के आते हैं. So it's not urgency. So fix your life, keep some time for it and then do it. आपको इतना भारी नहीं लगेगा करने में.
Understood. Okay. So coming to the last segment of this session, then we'll go towards the viewers' questions. We'll have a myth or a fact session where you will tell us whether it's a myth or a fact. Okay. So IVF babies possess extraordinary abilities.
Not always. Not always.
Okay. All right. And
they are
IVF
as good as me and you. They're same.
Okay.
I say they are kept better.
Okay. So that is because of the not because of the procedure, but because of their upbringing.
Upbringing.
Yeah. Okay. So IVF babies, it allows the parents to choose their specific traits like the eye color, the hair color.
No. Like that it happens. This is a myth. When you go for a donor egg IVF, there are times when you have to take the female partner does not have enough number of eggs in her ovaries. In those cases, we recommend them donor egg IVF. In India, there are only two colors: black hair, and I am having black hair. You also are having black hair.
Yeah.
Black eyeballs, similar. Sometimes it can be a little brownish. But yes, it's when I am offering you a donor, it's your choice. You can go for a Russian donor, or so it's your choice. But that is only donor egg IVF.
Okay, understood.
Only with IVF. And 99% of our patients, they don't want. They want similar, so that the baby doesn't look like an alien, na?
Okay, all right.
I am just British. My hair black. If I take the egg of a Russian girl, it won't match my family.
Yeah,
so
true.
It looks like you can have a designer baby, but nobody. They want baby. They want baby for themselves. It's not
for the world. Yeah, right. Okay. So IVF always results in multiple pregnancies?
No. Not at all. Not always. When you compare it with natural pregnancy, it is 33% higher. Some data it is higher, but that happens with any kind of infertility treatment. It's not only with IVF.
All right. Okay. So another one can undergo IVF at any age.
See, undergo IVF, as I said, everything has an expiry date. So our ovaries also have an expiry date. Indian females start losing, they have menopause around 47 to 52 years. So 10 years prior to that, changes of menopause start, perimenopausal changes start. So ideal time for having a baby is early 30s. Ideally, it is less than 30, but it is there are things which are changing. We call it early 30s. So that you can have your own genetic baby. If you'll delay it later, you might have to go for dinner. If the female comes at the age of 40, even if she has good number of eggs, I have to think of the abnormal eggs she has. There are chances of genetic disease in the baby and all. So for that, I might have to ask her to go for a donor egg IVF. So yes,
All right.
there is a biological clock in females, and it the tick is more for females. So yeah,
Okay.
specific age, try not to exceed that age.
Okay. So another one. Since a woman undergoes fertility treatments or fertility drugs, is it possible that the woman can get cancer?
See, IVF now is more than 40 years old, and the studies say that there are no cancer incidences. Theoretically, if you see, it might have increased because at the place of one egg, we are getting many number of eggs. So theoretically, it increased, but the studies no.
Okay. The mother who's undergoing IVF, she needs complete bed rest until delivery.
Not at all. Not at all. Not at
Okay. She can have an active lifestyle.
all. During IVF, nor after conceiving.
Okay.
After she gets pregnant, then also we don't ask for any bed rest. Yes, bed rest is advised to few patients where there are pregnancy complications. That can happen any kind of pregnancy. She has conceived naturally. Then also I ask my patients to go for rest if there is lower down placenta or there is bleeding during pregnancy. So there are conditions because of what she has to be on bed rest. It is not because of IVF.
Oh. Okay. So let's delve into the questions by our users.
There are many.
Yes.
So
we'll quickly address them.
Yes.
Okay. That's.
I'm not in any hurry. I'll answer all the questions and only I'll.
Okay.
I never leave a question unanswered.
Okay.
So you start asking whatever you see.
Yeah.
If
So, Social Potato is asking, are there any lifestyle changes that they should take while considering IVF?
Lifestyle changes, as I said, decrease your weight, stop drinking, and at least you should leave it a month or 2 months prior. And yes, stress levels should be reduced. So don't take any new assignments or कुछ ऐसा मत लो जो आपको constantly stress.
Okay. So, Lord Garma has asked, what are the potential reasons for previous unsuccessful attempts at conception, and how can IVF address those issues?
See, this is a very elaborate question. 3 घंटे तक मैं बोल सकती हूँ इस पे. So I'll cut it short. जैसे मैंने बताया कि बहुत सारे reasons हैं infertility के. अगर ट्यूबर है तो ट्यूबर फैक्टर में क्या होता है, जो एग और एम्ब्रियो एक दूसरे के साथ फर्टिलाइज नहीं कर पाते हैं. ठीक है, तो IVF help in doing that. So we take out the egg, take out the sperm, and we fertilize them outside and then put it inside the uterus of the female. तो ये उसके फैक्टर में आता है, ट्यूबल फैक्टर में आता है. डिक्रीज्ड ओवेरियन रिजर्व है. डिक्रीज्ड ओवेरियन रिजर्व में फर्टिलिटी लो हो जाती है, एग बहुत ज्यादा नहीं होते हैं, हर साइकिल में वो ओव्यूलेट नहीं करती है फीमेल. तो हम इसमें ओवेरियन स्टिमुलेशन के इंजेक्शंस देके नंबर ऑफ एग्स को जितना हम चाहें तो वो टाइमली कर सकते हैं. इफ वी आर टेकिंग एनी अदर फैक्टर, अगर ओवेरियन एंडोमेट्रियोसिस, ओवरी में एंडोमेट्रियोसिस करके एक या चॉकलेट सिस्ट करके बीमारी है, तो उसमें भी फर्टिलिटी बहुत कम हो जाती है. तो हम इनको एनहांस करते हैं. देयर आर मल्टीपल वेज फॉर एवरी कॉज, देयर इज अ डिफरेंट. नाम IVF ही होता है, करने का तरीका थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे होता है. So it's an elaborate one. Whoever has asked, you tell them to contact me directly.
Understood. I guess Garima, that answers your question. Okay, so we have another one. Social Potato is asking, are there any side effects of IVF?
Yes, there are short-term side effects. You might gain 1 or 2 kgs of weight. Sometimes, because these are hormones, the hormonal injections what we give, you might have mood swings, you might have little gastritis, but nothing more than that.
Okay.
So whatever symptoms you have, it goes in 1 to 2 months. Whatever weight gain is mainly due to water retention. It goes off in 1 to 2 months. Why these are not long term? The side effects are not long term. The reason being, whatever injections we give, acts only for 24 hours. That's why daily injection we have to give. So these are short-lived injections. So short-lived injections, they don't stay in body. So जो आप 2 किलो ऊपर नीचे होता है वो फिर सब कम हो जाएगा. जो मूड स्विंग हुए वो भी सबको नहीं होते हैं. इट्स नॉट फॉर ऑल. 20-30% को ये हो सकता है. So you should be prepared for it. That's all. You should not be scared of it.
But these are also the symptoms in a naturally conceived pregnancy as well.
ये प्रेगनेंसी तो प्रेग्नेंट होने के बाद होती है ना. IVF प्रेगनेंसी.
Okay.
हाँ.
All right.
It's treatment.
Okay. So another one by Garima again. How many IVF cycles do you typically recommend before considering other options?
Other options कुछ होता नहीं है IVF.
Adoption, if I believe.
Adoption होता है. So adoption is an extreme. There are very few patients where I had to advise adoption. So there is no specific number of cycles said. आपका जब तक नहीं होता है तब तक आप कर सकते हैं. और there are multiple. देखिए IVF can, as I said, IVF मैंने बोला multiple attempts of IVF. Every IVF is, पहले मैंने किया, मुझे पता चला कि अच्छा मैंने ये IVF किया, इसमें day 5 ट्रांसफर किया, इसमें कंसेप्शन नहीं हुआ. नाउ आई विल डू day 3 ट्रांसफर. मतलब इट इज अ लिटिल कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. आपके लिए वो IVF ही हो रहा होगा, बट आपके जो क्लिनिशियन है वो हर बार कुछ उसमें चेंज करते जा रहे हैं. फिर इससे नहीं हुआ तो हमने एंडोमेट्रियम की यूट्रस देखा कि हायर टेस्ट, एरा कहते हैं उसको, एंडोमेट्रियल रिसेप्टिव एरे, वो करके देखा. अगर उससे नहीं हुआ तो हमने जेनेटिक टेस्टिंग करके देखी बेबी की. तो आपके लिए वो IVF ही हो रहा होगा, बट दैट ओनली इज एडवांसमेंट. फिर वो नहीं हुआ, डोनर एग ट्राई करके देखा. डोनर एग अगर ठीक है, बार बार आप प्रेग्नेंट नहीं हो रहे हैं या आपके बार बार मिसकैरेजेस हो रहे हैं या कोई और फैक्टर है, तो सरोगेसी करके देखी. फिर तो ये चलता रहता है. आपके लिए वो सब IVF है, बट हमारे लिए सब में कुछ चेंज है.
Alright, okay. I hope that answers your question. And we have another one by Summer Melo. She's asking, can same-sex couples or single individuals undergo IVF?
Yes, single males are not allowed IVF now in the new bill. Earlier they were allowed. And same-sex couple, no, अभी तक दिया नहीं है गवर्नमेंट ने. बट single female can have IVF, and for that female also either she should be a divorcee or a widowed.
Okay, all right.
So
okay.
Divorce and widow, single male नहीं allowed है and same sex couple नहीं allowed है. अभी भी हम इतने लिबरल नहीं हुए हैं. देखेंगे आगे.
Maybe someday.
It's not always unfortunate. You have to think of many other things.
Yeah, but so very true.
It's a big decision for decision makers also. We have to think from their perspective. It's not only having a baby, a proper of child, proper उनको सब कुछ मिले. Our society is still fighting with, has not acceptance of the concept only. So let them accept the concept first. Let them, we have to prepare a happy family for that child. It's not that only getting a child is important. When the couple is still struggling for their space, couples are still struggling for their space in the society. तो हम चाहते हैं कि फ्यूचर में ये भी हो, बट पहले उनकी एक्सेप्टेंस हम बना लेते हैं.
Right.
Because our purpose is not to just give a child. We want a perfect mental and family balance for the child as well.
Okay. So, Label Cherry is asking, are there any age restrictions for IVF?
Yes.
Is there an upper?
In the new bill, they have said that female should not be more than 50 years of age and male should not be more than 55 years of age. This was taken in recommendation because, as I said, we have to look for the safety, look for the upbringing of the child as well. अगर आप 50 साल के बाद कंसीव करते हो, आपका जब बच्चा 20 साल का होगा तो यू विल बी 70. जब आपका बच्चा कॉलेज में होगा, यू विल बी वेरी. So the parents also have to be तब तक कम से कम 20-25 years तक तो आपके पेरेंट्स को वर्किंग होना चाहिए ना. And many other things. You don't want